Hello viewers, my name is Kuldeep Singh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Skills. Guys, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and please do hit the bell icon for latest updates. Hello viewers, welcome again to our next session of PLC practice. In last session I have covered up to 9 questions. In this section I will start with the question number 10. Without wasting our time, let's go to question number 10. Okay, so this is the question number 10. There are 4 inputs A, B, C, D. When any one input gets on, no output gets on. When any 2 inputs gets on, output A gets on. Any 3 input gets on, output A, B both gets on. All 4 outputs gets on, output A, B, C all gets on. It seems like the question we have done earlier, but there is a difference in the previous question and this question, that in this question there is a word include, that is any. So in this question, if you will read the statement, it is written that there are 4 inputs A, B, C, D as it was in previous question, but in the second line I have written when any one input gets on. There is anyone. Anyone means out of these 4 inputs A, B, C, D, if anyone, either A, either B, either C or either D, any input is input gets on, then there should be no output should get on. Okay. In second statement I have written that if any 2 inputs gets on. So if any 2 inputs gets on, then output A gets on. So output A should get on. Output A gets on when any 2. Any 2 means maybe A or B, or A and B, or A and C, or A and D, or whatever the probability will be, whatever the combination will be. So we have to prepare it. Okay. So let's start the question. Okay. Let's go to programming. Okay. So for any one input no output gets on, there should be 2 inputs at least in series. So with one input nothing will get on. Okay. So to learn how to make this question, how to make this answer, so first we have to do some preparation, means we have to make some combinations of inputs. Okay. So there are 4 inputs. Okay. So what will the pair we have to make pairs of 2 inputs. Because any 2 inputs, in question it is written that if any 2 inputs gets on, output A gets on. Any 2 inputs, so there are 4 inputs. Let's clear it. A, B, C, D. Okay. So any 2 input we have to make a pairs. So if A, B gets on, okay, A and B, okay, or A and C, okay, and A and D, okay, these are 3 pairs. Then B and C, then B and D, and then C and D. So these are the, if you will see, these are the 6 pairs. Okay. So these are the 6 pairs. When we have to make program according to this A and B, I have told you in gates also that if there is and in between, it means it is in series. So we'll make this program, we'll make these combinations. Okay. A and B. So first we'll start with the input A and B. Okay. Let's I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 0. So this is A. Okay. so this is A, okay, and next is I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 1, so this is B. So A and B, okay, and next combination is or A and C, okay, A and B I will include or, okay, either this combination or this combination or this combination, A and D or A, B and C or B and D or C and D. So these are the 6 combinations. I have made one A and B. I have to make or means in parallel. I have to make another combination in parallel. So I will take a parallel. I will make 2 inputs more. It is A again, I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 0. This is A, and C, I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 2. Okay, let's make it C. A and B or A and C, and next is or A and D. I will take a parallel again. So this is again A, I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 0. So this A and I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 3. So it is D, A and D. Okay, so these are the 3 combinations. Now B and C or B and D or C and D. B and C, I will again take parallel. B, I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 1. This is B, and C, I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 2. So this is C. B and C or, now again parallel, again 2 inputs, I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 1, B and D, I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 3, D. Okay, now the last pair is C and D. Okay, now again I will take a parallel. I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 2, C and D, I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 3. So these are the 6 possible combinations, okay, that can make any 2 inputs on. Okay, also our first condition, that is if any one input is on, no output gets on, is also done by this solution. Okay, so I will write the output O0 colon 0 dot 0 slash 0. Let's write the name 1. Okay, I am not writing it A to avoid confusion. Okay, so this is first output. It gets on when any of 2 gets on. Okay, but there is some problem when I will compile this. See, it will show some error. See, error is rung 0 instruction number 23 branch nesting exceeds processor limit. Okay, it means we cannot use so much parallel combinations. There is a limit that we can use only 5 combinations. See, if I remove 1 and then I will compile, it's okay, it's correct. Okay, so but it will reduce 1 combination. So what to do? So there is another method to reduce this combination. See how you can do is, in this you can see A. In first 3 A is common. Okay, so we'll use this A and B, C and D in parallel. Okay, so C, I will use this, I will put it here. Okay, again I will take parallel here and I will use D here. Okay, so this also makes AB, AC and AD. Okay, now next is BC and BD. Okay, so I will take here B, B and C, okay, BC and BD. So I will make B as a common, I will use this D over here, okay. Now I will remove all these things, and last pair is C and D. So I will use addressing of C over here, that is 2, and D over here I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 3. So you can see I have reduced the parallel combinations to 3 parallel combinations, and it is not showing any error, okay. So let's run it and check it whether it's working fine or not, okay. Run it, okay. Now you can see if any input is if any input is pressed, if any inputs, one input gets on, no output gets on. If I will switch on individually any input, no output will get on, okay. See A, now I will try with B, okay. C, now C, and individually if you will press even D, no output should get on. C, individually if you press any input, no output gets on. It means our first condition is true, okay. Now I will move on to second condition, okay. In second condition, if any two, means it could be A and B, we have made all the possible combinations, okay. So it would be A and B, output gets on, okay. If A and C, output is getting on, okay. Now third combination is A and D, okay. Let's make it A and D, output getting on, okay. And now I will, next combination is B and C, B and C, okay. Now let's switch off this, and B and D, output gets on, and C and D, C, D, okay. You can see all possible combinations are working, okay. It means we have covered these two statements, any one input gets on, output gets on, any two input gets on, output A gets on. Now the third condition is if any three input gets on, output A, B both gets on, okay. So for three inputs we have to make combination for three inputs, okay. So let's go to here, this page, and we have to make pair for three inputs. For three inputs, for three inputs, what will be the pairs? It would be A and B and C, okay, or A and C and D, okay, or B and C and D, or ABC, ACD, BCD, and what else is left is ACD. ACD is done. ABC, ACD, BCD, and ABC, ACD, ABC, ABC, ABD, okay. Next is A and B and D, okay. So these are the possible combinations, okay. So we can use these possible combinations, okay. I will place it above, okay. Just a minute, here I will place it here, okay. So these are the possible combinations. There will be these 4 combinations. So but we can use these 4 in parallel, so we don't need to simplify it, but we can simplify it. Okay, so we'll make it in next rung, not in the same rung. So I will make these 4 combinations, 1 2 3, again take a parallel. Okay, now I will take parallel branch, again 1 2 3, again parallel. Okay, then 1 2 3, again parallel. One, two, three. Okay, so I'll start I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 0 A, I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 1 B, I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 2 C, ABC. Next I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 0 A, B, again I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 1 B, and D, I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 3 D. Okay, now again I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash B is 1 A B, I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 2 C, and I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 3 D, B C D. Okay, now again I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 0 A C D. Okay, I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 2 C, and I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 3 D. Okay, so these are the possible combinations. O0 colon 0 dot 0 slash 1, so this is means second output. Okay, so when we'll compile and we'll see, it will work. Okay, download, and again you have to run. Okay, any 3. Okay, so these are the possible combinations A B C. But when we switch on these 3, above condition is also working. Okay, because in question it is written A gets on, output A B both gets on. Okay, so that is also working, we can see. Okay, now when I will switch off this condition, I will switch on D, then also you can check both are working. Switch off this and switch on B C D. You can see. Okay, now the last combination is A C D. So I will switch off B, switch on A, C and D. Okay, you can check all are getting on. Okay, we can also minimize this program by taking common inputs. Okay, that also I will tell you. Just see what we can do is, let's go offline first. Okay, what we can do is, we can see this here A and B are common. You can see in first pair A, B and C, A, B and D. Here A and B are common, and we can use A and B. Okay, so I will take it once and I will reduce, will take parallel D parallel with the C, so it will reduce one line. Okay, now here you can see C and D are common. In second line ACD BCD, here C and D are common, so we'll make use C and D as a common and we'll take B and A in parallel. So I can reduce this also. Okay, I will use, so I will reduce this line also. Okay, so this will also make our program. Okay, I have to use it in above line, so I will just make it again. Like this. Okay, so this is also the same thing, we can make it like this also. Okay, we can run and we will check it again. I will show you how it's working. Just wait. Okay, now here also A, B, and C. See, both are working. Okay, if we'll switch off this and you can switch on the second input, see. Okay, so this is how you have to practice and you will learn how to do it. Okay, here you can B, C and D and D, see, both are working, and last is A, C and D. Okay, and just use A, C and D. See, both are working. So this is the solution for any 3 and any 2 and any 1. Okay, now the last part of question is left, that is when all inputs gets on, all for inputs on, output A, B, C all gets on. Okay, means all output should get on. So we don't, for all 4 we don't need any pair, so we will use A, B, C and D. Okay, in last line. Okay, so let's go offline first and we'll make a program in last rung. I will use all 4 inputs and an output. Okay, so I will just give addressing I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 0, A I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 1, B I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 2, C, and I1 colon 0 dot 0 slash 3, D, and O0 colon 0 dot 0 slash 2. I will name it third output. Okay, so these are the some combinations. Let's compile it. Okay, and just wait, I will just download this program. Now we'll run it and I will check the last part because I have already checked the previous parts. A, B, C and D. Okay, you can see previous outputs are also working. Okay, so this is our program, we can see it by like this. Okay, in one shot it will, you will see like this. So this is a big program, you have to practice it, then also only you will learn how to make these type of programs. Okay, let's make it switch off out the inputs. Okay, so this is the program number 10. Okay, you can see this is the program number, question number 10, and next question is question number 11. Okay, you can note down this question, because solution of this question I will discuss in my next session, next video tutorial. I hope you are liking my videos. You have to practice a lot in your home so that you can learn. I will keep on putting questions. Okay, and thank you very much for watching this session. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Also hit the bell icon for latest updates. Please give this video thumbs up and do share it with your friends. Also please comment below how do you like this video. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will definitely answer your questions. Thank you very much